Cancer, something is shifting in how you give. And it's not emotional confusion anymore. It's recognition. You're seeing people more clearly now, not who they say they are, who they show themselves to be through repetition. And that changes everything because you don't give lightly. You never did. When you care, you build emotional structure for other people. You stabilize what they don't stabilize themselves. You hold what they avoid holding. And people adjust to that fast. They start relying on your emotional presence without questioning it. They start expecting your understanding without returning it. They start assuming access without maintaining it. And Cancer, that is the exact point where something in you starts shifting, not loudly, but completely. Because now you're noticing the imbalance in real time, not after, while it's happening. Who only comes when they need emotional grounding, who disappears when you need consistency, who benefits from your softness but doesn't protect it. And you're no longer smoothing it over, you're registering it cleanly. And once Cancer registers something like that, it doesn't stay negotiable for long because your care is not random. It's intentional. It has weight. It has memory. It has structure. And when that structure is not matched, you don't break. You withdraw precision. And that is what people don't understand. It's not distance. It's recalibration. You stop over explaining your emotional position. You stop over giving emotional access. You stop filling silence that someone else created. And the shift is immediate because people who are used to your emotional availability don't adapt quickly to your absence. They notice it faster than they understood your presence. And Cancer, that's the part they don't prepare for, not your reaction, your absence of reaction, because that is where your power actually is, not in what you give, in what you stop giving access to. And once that line is crossed internally, you don't go back to emotional overextension just to maintain connection. You upgrade your standards silently. And everything that cannot meet it falls away on its own. Soft Product Bridge, $19 offer. And if this is showing you experiences you've had before, like overgiving emotionally, feeling responsible for other people's regulation, or realizing you've been the consistent emotional structure in unstable dynamics, I created a $19 guide that breaks down your sun, moon, rising, and Venus placements so you can understand your emotional patterns, attachment style, and relational dynamics on a deeper level. Because when you understand how you give, you start choosing what receives it.